Okay, guys, we will pick up where we left off. We just finished those basic factorising questions there. Now on to the next one. Abdul is asked to factorise the expression 8a plus 48. He writes this as his answer. Do you agree with Abdul? Okay, the best thing to do here, first of all, is actually take this and try and factorise it yourself. That will then help you to understand whether Abdul is right or wrong. So, we need to factorise 8a plus 48. Okay, this is an easy, basic factorising. I need to pull out the highest common factor. The highest common factor with 8 and 48 would be 8. What do I times 8 by to make 8a? Well, I times it by a. What do I times 8 by to make 48? Well, 8 times 6 is 48. So my answer, 8 brackets a plus 6, close brackets. That is not the same as this. What Abdul's done here is Abdul pulled out a factor, but not the highest common factor. Okay, so he did not fully factorise. So no, because he did not fully factorise. He did not fully factorise. Okay, the answer should have been, it should have been 8, open brackets, a plus 6. That is fully factorised. Here he's pulled out a factor, but not the highest common factor. Okay, the final question then. This area of a rectangle question. Okay, you know to do the area of a rectangle, it's base times height. Okay, well you can see the base here is 5c, and you need to times that by all of this. So times that by 8b minus a. Now, from watching your Hegarty videos, you know that when we're doing a variable or a term multiplied by another expression, we just take out that and we just write it as a normal expanding brackets. Remember, expanding brackets is just multiplying at the end of the day. So we need to do 5c times 8b. Well, 5 times 8 would give me 40. C times B, well, you could write it as CB, but remember, we like to write it in alphabetical order, so we'd write it as BC. Then 5C times negative A, well, that's going to make the whole thing negative. And then 5, again, you could write it as CA, but we like to write it in alphabetical order, so AC. Your final answer, 40BC minus 5AC. Okay guys, that's it for your practice KPI. Make sure you've gone through this video really thoroughly, because tomorrow you're going to be doing the real KPI, and then you're going to be posting your scores to me on Show My Homework, okay? You're going to be uploading what mark you got for the real KPI tomorrow, okay? So really take this one seriously. Make sure it's fully green penned and you're up to date, ready for tomorrow's test. Best of luck guys. Any problems, drop me a comment on Show My Homework. Speak to you soon.